So this is a quick build, and boy is this easy. I'm making some hold down clamps that fit in a T-track using maple and these rubber feet used for furniture. They're wedge shaped, which is going to help later, but I'm going to add a couple links in the description. I bought these from Menards, but I also found similar ones on Amazon. You can make these any size you want. I'm trimming them down to be equal width of the wedges and then roughly 6 inches in length. I drilled a hole in the middle for T-bolts, and I made a mistake here. I'm using 1/4 T-bolts, and I drilled a 1/4 inch hole. This was wrong. You need a little bit of slack for the bolts so that the clamping piece can sit at an angle. I'm simply gluing the wedges on, making sure to use an adhesive that adheres to both rubber and wood. You'll also want to make sure the wedges are facing the same direction. Here's where I realized I needed larger holes for the T-bolts because the clamping piece can't sit at an angle connecting both the piece and the table. Now to test it out, and because the wedges are facing the same direction, it gives more surface area both on the table and the workpiece for holding it down.